गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो पिछले टाइम हमने रेशियो के बारे में पढ़े थे और जैसे कि मैंने कुछ होमवर्क भी दिया था और उसका सल्यूशन भी करवा दिया था पिछले वीडियो में। अब आगे जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो पढ़ेंगे हम इक्विवेलेंट रेशियोज। इक्विवेलेंट ratios. So this is not much more difficult because you have done equivalent fractions already. तो पहले हम जरा रिकॉल कर लेते हैं। इक्विवेलेंट का मतलब क्या होता है? जब दो फ्रैक्शन जब इक्वल होते हैं तो हम लिखते हैं जैसे कि 2/3 इज इक्वल टू 4/9, सॉरी 2 2 जा 4 और 3 2 जा 6। तो ये दोनों 3 पार्ट से 2 पार्ट जितना है, 6 पार्ट से 4 पार्ट्स भी उतना है। उसको हम कैसे कर रहे थे? 2 2 जा 4 और 3 2 जा 6। तो हम बोलते थे कि ये जो दोनों फ्रैक्शन है 2/3 एंड 4/6, these are equivalent fractions. And which is greater fraction, which is smaller fraction, you also know it very well. So this time the same thing will be repeated during ratios. So while comparing two ratios, पहले हम जानते हैं comparing two ratios और उस पे हमारा फ्रैक्शन का भी रिकल हो जाएगा। तो कंपेयरिंग टू ratios. Suppose one ratio is your 3:5 and another ratio is your 5:2 or 15:25. क्या? So हम ये देख सकते हैं, पहले ये करते हैं 3:5 is equal to 3/5 and 15:25 is equal to 15/25, and these two are numerator and denominator. These are divisible by both are divisible by 5, so you can divide them or cut them with 5. So 5 3 are 15 and 5 5 are 25. So this is also 3/5. So you can say 3/5 and 3/5. These are equal. So 3:5 and 15:25 are also equal. And we can say the ratios are equivalent. So 3:5 and 15:25 are equivalent. Clear? अभी और एक एग्जाम्पल ऐसे ही देखते हैं। सपोज हमें दिया गया है क्वेश्चन 1:2 and 2:3, 1:2 and 2:3. These are equivalent or not? Equivalent or not? हम देखते हैं 1:2 is equal to, we can say 1/2, and 2:3 is equal to, we can say 2/3, and they are not equal. 1/2 and 2/3, are they equal? You can check it. So you have different formulas when you are checking 1/2 or comparing 1/2 and 2/3 in the previous class or in fraction. So you can check it by this process: 1/2, 2/3. So 1 into 3 is equal to 3, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 3 is less than 4, means 1/2 is less than 2/3, and that means 1:2 is also less than 2:3, and they are not equivalent. Clear? इसको हम और एक प्रोसेस पे, एलसीएम की प्रोसेस पे भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम ले लेंगे 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So here the denominators are 2 and 3. So first take LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So now we will convert the denominators into the same denominator, that is 6. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3 करना पड़ेगा, तो 1 into 3 करेंगे तो 3 by 6 हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली जब हम 2 by 3 को 6 करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर तो क्या आएगा, 2 by 3 is equal to, नीचे आएगा 3 into 2 और ऊपर आएगा 2 into 2, so that is 4 by 6. And you know 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6 because same denominator but different numerators, and when the denominators are same, the numerator that is smaller, the fraction is also smaller. So we have 3 is less than 6, or sorry, 3 by 6 is less than 4 by 6, and thus we can say 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3, and so 1 is to 2 is less than 2 is to 3, and thus they are not equivalent. I think it is clear now. Let us take some more examples that is related to your book. Suppose there is a question. This is the performance of a team during 2 years. This is this year, and another comparison between is this is last year. यहाँ पर देखते हैं won matches and lost matches. So suppose winning the number of won matches this year is 8 and last year is 4, but the losses of this year is 2 and last year losses match is 2. So we can easily say that here this year the team has only 2 losses and 8 wins. So there are 10 matches. Among 10 matches, 8 matches are won and 2 matches are lost. But here there are only 6 matches and 6 matches से 4 matches win किया है और 2 matches में loss किया है. तो इसको कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे फिर? यहाँ पर तो 10 में से 8 आया, यहाँ पर 6 में से 4 जीता, तो इसको कैसे हम क्या करेंगे, मतलब कंपेयर करेंगे कि किस साल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा रहा. तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, विनिंग और लॉस का रेशियो निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है, तो रेशियो between won and loss this year is equal to, हम कह सकते हैं 8 by 8 is to 2, और that is 8 by 2, और that is 4 by 1, और 4 is to 1. Clear? Similarly, ratio between won and loss last year is equal to कितना होगा, 4:2, और that is 4 by 2, इसको लोएस्ट टर्म कर देंगे तो 2 by 1 आ जाएगा और 2:1 आ जाएगा. सो अब हम कंपेयर करते हैं इन दोनों में कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है. तो ऑब्वियसली 4:1 is equal to 4/1 and 2:1 is equal to 2/1 and 4/1 is equal to 4, 2/1 is equal to 2, and since 4 is greater than 2, so obviously 4:1 is greater than 2:1, and if 4:1 is greater than 2:1, so the performance this year is better than the performance last year. Clear? Performance of this year is better than the performance in last year, because we have found the ratio between won and loss this year is greater than the ratio between win and loss last year. Clear? So the winning performance or the performance of the team in this year is better than the last year. Clear? So students, now I will have some homeworks for you. You have to do them, and in the next video when I will have a discussion about on those homeworks, you will check your answers and clear them. Okay? तो homeworks नोट कर लो. Compare the following ratios. Using size greater than, smaller than, or equal to. 45 centimeter is to 2 मीटर. यहाँ पर अपना साइन देना. 18 पैसे is to 18 पैसे is to 4 rupees. Rupees 4. B 3 kilometer is to 500 meter. 4.5 kilogram is to 450 gram. Question number C. 25 पैसे is to 75 पैसे. Rupees 2 is to rupees 6. D 18 kilometer. 18 kilometer is to 45 meter. 45 kilometer is to 12 minute. Dash 12 minute is to 30 minute. Okay, this is your question number 1. Now write your next question. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. so that the following ratios will be equivalent. Number A, 2:3 is equal to dash is to 9. 20 पैसे is to ₹1 is equal to dash hour is to 5 hour. Question number C, 12 days is to 30 days. 12 days is to 30 days is equal to लिख लो 12 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes is to dash minute. Clear? Number D, 5 kilometer is to 10 kilometer. 5 kilometer is to 10 kilometer is equal to dash liter is to 50 liter. 50 liter. Clear? So this is your homework. Try to do this. If you will do this by yourself, then the teaching will be more effective. There is nothing to, there is no doubt. I will solve these questions again in the next video, and you can check yourself by watching that video. Thus, I am trying to give my 100% towards you through this online tuition, so that you can get everything about math. Okay, thank you.